Hi, I'm Hannah and I work for J Parker's. Today I'm going to talk to you about naturalising bulbs. So this may be a term that you've come across before and you might not be sure what it means. So a bulb that naturalises is a bulb that will come back every year and multiply on its own. So a lot of naturalising bulbs you can plant in the autumn, and then every year as they come up in the spring there should be more of them than there were the previous year. So quite a few examples of these are there's daffodils, crocuses, snowdrops, all the things that you would find naturally in nature, in forests, woods, etc. A lot of those will naturalise themselves, and they're a good way of bringing a lot of colour into your garden with minimal effort, because you don't need to keep planting more every year, they'll just do it themselves. So it could be something that you could try in your garden this year.